I know you heard about me. Swag. I know you heard about me. Swag.
So I just put 245 tires on the back, which is wider than normal. So it's like I had to get a feel for it over there. That's all. That's all that was.
I'm here. That's all that matters.
All right. We're sending it. This is my second season.
Okay.
Yeah. Washed out a little bit on the beginning, but
Still fun.
yeah.
You were the one that had the tire blow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you good, bro? You good? These tires grip. It definitely feels different.
Yeah.
So I'm glad I didn't like switch it up before I did the comp.
Right.
Cause then I would have been way off. It's like things that I'm teaching myself as I go.
You know more than me, so you're good.
We're just out here having fun.
What kind of car is this?
Nissan 350Z.
Yeah, I'm not a car person.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, that one looks good. I like that.
Right.
Or, you know.
Right. That was sick. Yeah. Woo. That was good because he was on me and I was on. Woo. That was really good. That got me going.
Yes.
Woo. He put the pressure on. I thought we were all going again. I was like, ah! Oh, now I'm gonna be leading.
We don't have numbers. Does that mean that's how many at once?
Yeah, they only want to run 3 people. Because some people don't want unexperienced people behind them that could hit them if they spin out.
Okay.
All of them things. Just kind of a trust thing. was a good run too.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Alright, I'm gonna run in here and check the tires.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
You like that?
Yeah.
Awesome.
No, yeah, this is like my first drift show I've been to, so.
Dope. My third, well, third one driving. It's like really close to that car. It'll be alright.
Good shit, thank you.
Awesome.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Chasing him down because I know him. What happened, bud?
Come on, man.
I was coming for you. I was coming for you. Send it. Oh, you're good, Bob.
Sorry for spinning. He acts like we're gonna be mad at him or something.
Yeah. Put your helmet on. No, I'm on your door.
He said no, no, no. He said give me space. Let's go. Baby, let's go! Woo!
That was sick.
That was so nice. Oh, my phone died.
Woo! He was on me heavy.
Are you behind me?
Yeah, but I gave you your space.
Thank you. I'm not confident right now.
Okay.
Give me my space, I might spin. But if I'm doing good, you can start jumping.
I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Trust me, bub.
See, bro.
Dude, he was on me.
Yeah, that cuz was good. But hey,
I want him in front of me now.
You're just better. Hey, you want me to get him in front?
Huh?
You want me to get him in front?
I'll get him. Don't worry. I'll tell him to. I'm trying to chase you down now. That was good driving. I felt you there. I was like, ah. Wasn't quite as close as I wanted to get. My car's hot. I gotta go in.
You're good.
Oh, my AC, my heat's not on either. If I can get this to cool down a little bit. Glad you had fun.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bro, I'm glad we came out.
Hell yeah. My fan's not working.
You running hot?
My fan's not on.
Oh shit. got the hood. There you go.
Wow. Something going on with them wires.
Wiring.
No wonder she got hot.
Yeah. As soon as you mess with it down there,